Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a server-side template injection lab in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. It is server-side template injection with a custom exploit. So we need to delete the SSH ID RSA. I wonder why it has this starting from Carlos's home directory. It shouldn't have that. That must be a typo. And we have our own credentials. All right, and this is saying we could damage the lab and make it unsolvable. And if that happens, we need to wait for it to reset. So let's not do that. All right, let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I'd appreciate that. We have a blog. Let's log on. So is this like the comment one? Wiener Peter. Yeah, with preferred name. This is interesting. Avatar. Let's try uploading an avatar. We'll do one that's a browse home courses Web Security Academy and then SSTI A. And then we'll go play with the, this. We need to switch this. Let's add this now. And then we'll go make a comment. So we'll go home, view post, comment. Okay, so there's our avatar and that. Let's go here, proxy HTTP history. What do I want? I want to play with the post, not that post, this post. Look at that, user.firstname, send to repeater. And let's grab this one, which shows the name. Okay, so let's send that to repeater. Let's make these two, add tabs group, create tabs group, SSTI, and we'll use green. I'm going to send them in sequence. All right, let's start here with user. Cannot be converted to string. So we know it's twig, and we know it's PHP. Interesting. All right. Well, that sucks. Do we... So if I send this to intruder to try to go through all those server variables, I would have to do because it doesn't show up until this get. So I wouldn't be able to do that directly. All right. What? Let's see. Let's go P Chrome PHP get object properties. Let's start there. Get object vars. What does this return? An array. So PHP array to string. Implode. Yeah. That's what we'll use. So let's try user or get object vars user and then implode. Implode. $500. Unknown get object vars. Well, that didn't work. Let's try PHP list object methods. This one. Get class, and it turns array. Get class methods. I have a feeling this one's not going to work either, but let's give it a shot. Nope. Unknown. Get class methods. All right. Let's go back to that avatar thing. What is... So if we go back to like user dot first name, I don't know if it was really that. Maybe it was capital. I just want to make this be a 200, which it is now. And this is blank because I must have typed that wrong. I wonder if it's capital. No. Wonder what it was. I'm going to just look because I'm curious. It's going to be user. It's underscore. All right. So proxy repeater. Boom. First underscore name. I'm just doing this so I get a 200 with the response because I want to try to play with this avatar. There we got this back. Avatar. Because we can upload that. What if can we load up anything other than we already did well, what if we loaded up like a text file like this? Remember that's whatever. That's that thing. Uncut exception. Upload file MIME type is not an image. Here's the path. Stack trace. Avatar. Set avatar. User set avatar. Interesting. User set avatar. With a path. Thrown in. So can we use this set avatar set? So user first name is Python case. This one is camel case. I don't know. Too few arguments. So too few arguments. It needed a path, right? A path and then a MIME type. A path. Let's do, what if we did, we know that this file exists and that file. Let's try this. Do we need like image / PNG? And I'm going to remove that space just so I don't have to URL encode it. We got 200. We don't see anything. Oh, because we didn't do a request for that. So let's do that. Proxy. Let's just do this one. Send a repeater. Repeater. We'll replace this with this. Send. Ooh. Sweet. Okay, so user. We got username, name, first name, nickname, user dir. What do we need to do? Solve live. Delete that file. So it's going to be something like this. User dir equals users / this username. Avatar link equals this user dir dot avatar / avatar. So it's going to go users, wiener, avatar. So set avatar. If it exists, it's going to RM it. If not, symlink. Oh. So it symlinks it. If that fails, it's going to throw an error. Delete file equals this user. So this just renames it. Or marks it as disabled. Oh, that looks pretty good. This delete, which is this. But this, if we can set the avatar link to that path, this will remove it. and then it'll mark Carlos as disabled. Function. So right here, rm if not unlink. So it tries to unlink it, and then errors if it can't. Sweet. Okay, so we just need to call this. We need to set our avatar link first and then call this, right? All right, let's try that. Let's set our avatar link. We need to know the path. Let's keep this. So currently we're here. What if we could start at the home? Yeah, that worked. So we could just do home. What's it? Carlos .ssh/id RSA, which should be the private key for Carlos. Let's try doing that. And then getting it. Hey, that looks like it works because we got 200 and text. So all we got to do now is run the delete, which was, oh crap, I don't have it here anymore. Let's go to flow. Not that one, this one. So we just got to call user.gdpr delete, which is repeater 1 user.gdpr delete. Is it capital E or not? Yes, capital D. Repeater. And we don't need any arguments for this. Oh, wait. Let's not. If we do this right now, it'll solve it, which is awesome for everything except for I want to solve it with Python. So I got kind of carried away. Kate, let's write down what we need to do. So we logged in as Wiener. And then we made a comment. Was that necessary? No. Logged in as Wiener. Then we need to set avatar. Set avatar to we need to run this one, right? Yeah. Copy. And then we need to run and we need to visit the comment to execute it, then run user.gdpr delete, visit the comment, and that should be solved. So that's what we need to do, I think. All right, let's start writing this out. It is called, we'll just call it custom exploit. Vim custom exploit dot py. Let's go grab our template. It is a blog, remember? Okay. We need to log in. Blog.login as Wiener Peter. Set avatar. Let's make this a function that does that post, and then we'll use that function twice for these two, and then we'll do a function for visit comment and run that twice. Or we can just visit the comment after. That's a better idea. Well, no. We won't run it twice. We'll just set the okay, sorry. Let me just write it and you'll see what I'm saying. So we need a def. We're going to call this, we're going to call it blog author post author display. And this will be what we want to do. So what's this called? I don't know. Code, sure. And then that'll be the only thing. Oh, we need the post ID. No, that'll be it. We need the CSR, the cookie passed in though. Session. And then we'll get this page to get the CSRF value. So, and that's on, we need to visit the CSRF or the My Account page, which is just here. And I don't think we need the ID equals Wiener. We can check. We do not. Okay. So we need to get, oh, we should pass in blog, right? Because blog has, gosh, I can't. I'm doing a very bad job. Does it have my account? Does site have my account? No, nothing has my account. Should we write one here that's like in blog that's get my account? Yeah, why not? Def get my account. Is it 2 words? Yes. Self. We're going to just return the resp. So we can just type that in now. And we want to, should we have this one log in? No, because we've already got, well, we've already got self.login. What does that return? Self or login, username and password. It returns resp and cookies. Okay. So my account, self, username, password. I don't know if this is a good idea. Self, username, password. word resp cookies resp. Oh, does login? I'm an idiot. Yeah, login should get my page. I'm sorry. That was really a dumb couple of minutes. Skip that. Act like I didn't do it. Okay. Self.login. Wayne. Peter. No. We're doing that here. Resp cookies equals this. And then we want, let's log.debug cookies just to see what we have. I'm doing a terrible job at this. Python custom -d. We need to start running the script so I can see. I don't have a very good idea of the architecture yet. So we've got a dictionary and session. So session equals cookies session. Boom. Now we need to set avatar. No. Set avatar. We don't need. Oh, yeah. Call that. Def. Post. Blog. Author. I think that's what I named it. We wanted the code and session. And then here we're going to do this post. URL equals this. Sort of. This self dot blog dot base URL plus. So we definitely need to pass in blog. And then we need to make a post. Do we have a general post one? No, I don't think we do. Oh well, let's just write it. If blog.no proxy requests.post URL data equals data cookies equals cookies. Should be everything we need, right? We need cookies and data. All right. Cookies equals session data equals. Oh, we don't have that CSRF yet, do we? Code CSRF. And then we need CSRF from somewhere. Let's save this. We don't care about the response. Nope. Else. Same thing, but with the proxy. Proxies equals utils dot proxies verify equals false. And then That'll be it. So we need the CSRF. We get the CSRF from, that's part of the My Account, right? Inspect. We want this one. Inspect. This form. That's the select. We need this one. How are we going to do that? We can extract a multi-line with this form ID and then this one, and then to get the CSRF within that text. All right. This is when we get the main page, which should be this resp. Yeah, it looks like it is. So this is the one we want. So we need the .all extract. We should do a multi-line one in, because we've done it enough now. I think we have that extract text. What if we had like a def extract multi-line self pattern text, and then we do kind of the same thing. That way I don't have to look it up every time because I forget. We did that in one of the ones in not there. Didn't we do it in one of the ones in this? Yeah, right here. Pattern dot all that. We need to put this in here. Okay. This will be text. And what do we do here? So we compile it, whatever, and then we search it, save it as M, and we'll do the same here. Try to return that, otherwise we'll error. And let's put on a dot strip. No, let's not. Extract multi-line. Sweet. Really happy about that. I should have done it long time ago. But I have it now. So we're going to do right here, CSRF equals self blog dot extract multi-line. Right? I'm going to close this. I'm going to close blog for now. Site, extract multi-line. Pattern, and then text. Oh, whoops. I just need that. But I do want to use this as a example here before I delete it. Okay. We want to extract using this text. ID equals this. Copy. So pattern equals that. And then form. Let's do space dot asterisk question mark to there. This is what we want to capture. And then it should end in a form. So what this is saying is we're going to start here, and then anything between there and there is fine. And then everything between this and the end form, capture and save, return to us. So pattern, we need self pattern text. resp.text. Now that we have the multi-line, this is not the CSRF. This is going to be the form. And then we're going to do blog.extract CSRF from form. And extract CSRF just needs the text. And this will be our CSRF. So basically we split out just this form from everything else, because if you notice, everything has, well, they're all the same. Oh, that was really dumb of me. I didn't even check, but all the CSRF values are the same. So I could have got any of them and been fine. Oh well. What I did it is more universal, the way I did it. So I got just this form, and then I got the CSRF for just this form. Which, whatever. It works now. I mean, it should work. Let's check it. Log.debug CSRF. But had I been paying attention, I could have just gotten any of them. Of course, I was not paying attention. All right, let's see what we got so far. Successfully logged in. The session, this is the session cookies. What's this? Oh, where's the other log debug? Cookies, resp text. We don't have the CSRF. Okay, let's log.debug form. Something didn't work. And, oh, we got it that time. Why did we get it that time and not the first time? There's the form, preferable name. Yeah. And there's the CSRF. Sweet. Okay. Let's not debug this one. That's too much for me. We will debug this one. We'll info this one. And then we've got everything we need now to pass to here, right? So post blog author, we want the code, which will be this, and we'll do single quotes. code session blog. And we need CSRF here. CSRF. Okay. That should work. I'm going to do this because for some reason I'm not doing a good job of thinking today. So I'm just going to do it piecemeal. And we should see proxy this post get a 302, which looks like it works. Okay. Now we need to get the post, which we can just do right here. We need the post ID. Well, we need any post ID. So blog.get post and post ID. Let's pass that through also. Post ID. Or we can just set it as 1 and then make it optional. So we'll just always get 1 unless we set it otherwise. That should execute the code. Okay, so if we go here, we got that. That should execute our SSTI, server-side template injection. Oh, we haven't made a comment. Damn it, we do need to make a comment. That's in blog, right? Blog. Comment. Post comment. Post comment avatar. That's weird. Why do we have so much? Why is this so much different? I wonder if we could refactor this so that these are almost the same. Whatever. Post comment. This is what we want. We need post ID. Okay. When do we need to post comment? We can do it after we log in. Let's do... And we need it before we run this. Let's do it right after we log in. Blog.post comment. I know we need the post ID, right? I want to go here. We need the post ID. That's the only thing required. Comment name. I don't think any of this stuff. When we posted a comment, that was login, avatar, change, post comment. We just did post ID and comment. We can try it with everything. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's set our post ID. Post ID equals, let's just set it as 1. And then let's pass it through just so we don't. And then we need our, well, that should be fine. I don't know how this is going to work. Commenting. So it looks like we may have commented on post 1. Post 1. Anonymous. Test comment. Oh, suck. It's because we don't have our session token when we did this post comment. Session equals none. Commenting on post. If let's do this. If not session, we can do, never mind. We can do this. This will be kind of tricky. Session or session token. This is, I don't think this is the correct syntax because this is a, what is it? A Boolean binary. This is a test and not, we want a ternary, right? How do we do a ternary? Python ternary. So we want it to we want it to use session unless session's none. A, if A, else B. This is what we want. So that was session, if session, else, session token. That should be right. So it's going to use session, which is pass through if that's valid. So session, if session is valid, else it's going to use session token from here. Okay, let's try that. Post ID. No, damn it. Why do we have get post? I don't know. We can figure that out later. Post comment. Am I passing through the session? Nope, I definitely am not. Great. So we want to move this up here. That one didn't work, it looks like. Invalid CSRF token. Oh, you know why? It's because when we do this right here, this get session CSRF right here. Response equals get post session equals none if session, we want cookies equals session else this without it. Okay. Whatever. We don't care about... All right, let's try that. Because get post does handle cookies. Get response, whew, pass through a lot. Post comment, bad request, invalid. Damn it. It's because this get didn't have the CSRF value. And that get is right here. Log.debug. I want to make sure we're passing that through here. Okay. This is down in post comment. We're not passing it through. So this is why. We need to pass it through, so session equals session. Getting response from name equals session. Key error. And this is in resp. Oh, if there's no. So this is right here. Session token equals resp. So I should do, instead of a dictionary, resp dot cookies dot get and then session. That way it's none instead of errors by using get. By you trying to access a dictionary that doesn't exist, we get an error. Let's see if we actually got a post that time. This one. Yes! Looks like it worked. Here. Actually got our post working with the right user, not anonymous. Sweet. Okay. So back to what we were doing. We posted the comment. We posted our SSTI. Now we need to get the post to, and we did that here. To execute this, now we need to do the next one. Right here. So this one is set avatar. This one is delete file. And this is just GD GDPR delete. That should be it. And then blog.is solved. Okay. Well, it was a little bit complicated to work through the logic in Python, and I did a poor job of it. Not that it should have been hard. I just did it poorly. Let's make sure we solve it. Boom! There we go. Sweet, sweet, sweet. But it was a good challenge overall. I liked it. We exploited, there's our banner, SSTI by first exam. So we saw that it was vulnerable to SSTI through this post author display, which had originally the first name, right? Right here, user.firstname. So we played with the user object, didn't get very far there. And then we tried, while we were playing around with the account, we tried to upload a invalid image. The response from that request, which maybe I have, right here, told us one, a path to a file, 2 files actually, and 2, a function of the user method. Using this set avatar, we were then able to read this user file, which had enough information that we could piece together a way to delete a file on the file system. And that's how we did it. In our code, you can see we log in as the account that we were given. We post a comment. We just needed to post anything so that our name was there. Once we have the comment posted, we went back and changed put in our payload for the SSTI in this blog author display form. The first time we did it, we set the avatar, and that was the path to the file we needed to delete. And then we viewed the post so that code got executed. And then we went back and changed the SSTI to GDPR delete, viewed the post, which meant that the avatar was deleted, or in this case, the private key of Carlos's SSH key got deleted. And that was the key to solve it. Sweet. This could have been done a lot faster, a lot cleaner, had I been able to think through this faster and better. But it's not, we didn't do too bad. The code's fairly clean, although the blog is getting a little long in the tooth. Like post comment avatar and post comment, why are those 2 different functions? I don't remember. They shouldn't be. I'll probably take a look at that outside the video, and I'll just show you what I did. But that's it. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.